Yo YouTube fam, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer assets into your Binance wallet. Now to do this, you simply need to open your Binance application, and when it's open, you click on wallet at the lower right of your screen. When this is open, you will find a deposit button close to your buy button. You click on the yellow deposit button. This will take you to a list of assets you can transfer into Binance. You simply scroll to the assets you would want to transfer. In our case, we want to choose, let's say, Bitcoin. Here. So when you get to Bitcoin, you click on Bitcoin, and it's going to show you a list of networks that Bitcoin operates on. Now you have to be very careful here to select the actual network you're trying to send. Now we're going to select Bitcoin in Bitcoin network. So we choose Bitcoin. And then this is going to show us the Bitcoin deposit address. And all we have to do is click the copy icon close to the Bitcoin deposit address. And when it's copied, you can then send this address to anyone who wants to transfer assets to you on Binance, or you can use it in your other crypto apps to transfer assets into your Binance wallet. Now that is how you transfer assets into Binance. If this video has been of any help, do well to click that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on our helpful future tutorial videos. Catch you on the next one.